Should I say I had him do it, I made him do it, or I got him to do it? What's the difference between these? I'm Teacher Mike, and today I'm teaching you how and when to use the causative verbs have, make, and get. So, to have someone do something basically means that they are doing it because we either asked them to do it or told them to do it. For example, the dentist had him open his mouth. That basically means that the dentist asked or told him to open his mouth, so he did. Another example, I'll have someone meet you at the airport. That just means I'll make sure that someone meets you there. Or maybe someone calls your office, but the person who they want to speak with isn't available. You can ask them, would you like me to have her call you back? We also have the passive structure have, object, past participle. This means basically the same thing as have someone do something, but it focuses more on the action, not who the other person is. For example, she has her nails done every 2 weeks. I had my car washed yesterday. Or, we're having our kitchen renovated. To make someone do something means that you are forcing or requiring them to do it. Basically, you're telling them that they have to do it, even if they don't want to. For example, my boss made me stay late. The police officer made him open his bag. Or, his mom made him eat his vegetables. And you could also use have in those examples. However, using make tells us very clearly that the person doing the action doesn't have a choice. Using have does not tell us that. And although make does have a passive form, it sounds quite formal, so you probably won't hear it very often in everyday conversation. For this, we use subject, be, make, to, verb. For example, we were made to wait outside. He will be made to apologize. Or, the employees are made to wear uniforms. We use get someone to do something to make it clear that the other person might not want to do the action. It basically means that we have to say or do something to help them understand why they should do it. For example, maybe you invite your friend to go out to dinner, but he says that he doesn't want to go out to dinner. So you say, it's on me, which means I'll pay for it. If your friend then says, okay, I'll go with, you got them to join you. Another example, she got her dad to buy her a bicycle. Basically, in the beginning, her dad didn't want to buy her a bicycle, but she did or said something that changed his mind. And this one is also really common in negative sentences when we want to say that something isn't working. For example, he can't get his baby to stop crying. She can't get her dog to come inside. Or the police couldn't get him to calm down. Also, although have and make are almost always used with living objects such as humans or animals, get is often used with non-living objects. For example, I can't get my phone to turn on. She finally got the microphone to work. Or, how did you get the car to start? And this one we do not use in passive voice, so we never say things like, the baby was gotten to stop crying, or the phone was gotten to turn on. So yeah, to have someone do something basically means that you ask or tell them to do it. To make someone do something means that you force or require them to do it. And to get someone to do something basically suggests that you have to work a little bit because at first they don't want to do it. Finally, if you found this video useful and would like more videos like this one, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.